So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video we are going to talk about very exciting new job opportunity that has been recently floated by Amazon on its website, and its name is listing specialist. So this opportunity is in their seller support department, but the roles and responsibility that you will be doing for this particular role are different from a seller support associate. So please do watch this video very carefully till the end to completely understand about this role as well as its interview process. So let's start today's video, but before that, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it and please do like my videos to support my channel. Now regarding this particular role, listing specialist, they want you to have at least a bachelor's degree. They are preferring computer science or business bachelor's. That means uh, related to BCA, BTech IT, BTech Computer Science, or even BBA. But that is preferred, not mandatory. So if you are bachelor's in any other degree also, I will suggest you to at least apply because they haven't written that it is mandatory. And also you need to have 0 to 3 to 4 years of experience. So freshers are also eligible for this job role. Now regarding the salary part, they haven't mentioned it on their website, but as far as I have seen on Google, it is between 3 to 4 LPA, which is a pretty decent salary considering it a role for junior level candidates. Now let us understand about what is the job description for this role, what you will be exactly doing. So as you know, in the seller support department, there are sellers of Amazon that list their products on Amazon website so that they can sell it to wider audience. As an example, Adidas or Nike is a company that sells their product on Amazon. Similarly, there are small sellers also. So what you will have to do here is there is a seller creation form or a seller creation file where they need to update everything about the product that they want to sell on Amazon. So sometimes it is very difficult for the sellers to fill this form because there are a lot of details, like they have to give an image of product, they have to write weight of product, they have to write dimensions of product, and so many other things that they have to fill in this product to get approved by Amazon. It becomes very difficult for sellers to fill this form, and then it becomes very difficult for Amazon to give training to all the thousands of sellers as to how to fill this form. So instead of that, what they are doing is, what Amazon is now doing is, they are hiring listing specialists and they will train you on how to fill this seller product creation form so that you can help thousands of sellers to fill this form easily. Now that will be your role, and you don't need to know how to fill this form, what is in this form. They will all teach you this. All you need to have is the willingness to do this kind of job role. So it is a pretty simple job role. And regarding the interview process, best part is there are hardly 2 to 3 rounds for this, and there is only one online test. There is no version test for this. They will take only one online test which is related to basic English skills, and there will be 53 multiple choice questions in that round, and you will have to complete those 53 questions in 60 minutes. Now how can you prepare for this? You have to watch 3 of my videos. I am suggesting you first watch my English grammar video, secondly watch Amazon aptitude test video, the verbal ability part, not the mathematical or logical ability part, because that is not required for this job role. You have to watch only the verbal ability part because they are going to test your verbal and grammar skills only. And thirdly, if possible, do watch my video for MCAT mock test also, which is again related to verbal ability only. Although it has a different pattern, but the kind of questions are similar that can be asked in Amazon. So these 3 videos you check, and once you clear this round, the next round is HR or the managerial round, where they will ask you certain behavioral and role related questions. That also a couple of questions I will discuss in this video. But for that, I will now take you to my computer screen and very importantly, I will also show you how you can apply for this job role through my website, because first it will redirect you to my website and many people are facing problem. But if you listen to me and watch this video completely, you will be easily able to apply. The only problem there is an apply button which is not working, so you have to click on website button instead of apply button, which is below the apply button, which I will show you in this video. So I'll take you to my computer screen for that. So friends, first I have taken you to my computer screen and now I'll discuss some of the operations or manager interview questions that can be asked. So can you work in a fast paced environment? If a brand like Nike wants to sell on Amazon, would you recommend or not, and why? Some questions on Excel. So I'm giving the link of video in description box. You can watch that video and then talk about a time when you had to go in detail to solve a problem. So some of these questions can be asked in the interview. Now I'll show you how you can apply. So I'm giving this link in the description box. It will take you to my website and then you have to click here on this green box, Amazon Listing Specialist Hyderabad. This is for Hyderabad location. For some period of time they can allow work from home, but it will not be permanent work from home. So apply only if you feel you can relocate to Hyderabad after a certain period of time. Here you can read about everything: eligibility, job description, required skills, and if you feel comfortable you have to click here on the website, not on this apply for this job, else you will not be able to apply. So please don't write in the comments box. Click here. Once you click here, it will directly redirect you to Amazon website where you can read about this opening and go to the apply now button, and then you will be able to apply with your Amazon jobs account. So friends, I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more such openings in future, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.